What's up, guys? It's Off the Hood Gamer. I'm here with another Drive Club car review. Now we're here with the hot hatch, the Audi A1 Quattro. It's a 4-cylinder turbo, all-wheel drive, 2.0 just like the Volkswagen Beetle, 252 brake horsepower, 255 PS, 350 Nm, 258 pound-feet of torque. It weighs 1,465 kilograms or 3,230 pounds. Its acceleration's good. Top speed, okay. Handling, surprisingly good for this class. Drifting, mediocre. I don't like drifty cars, so I like to keep beat on the road. So let's see the interior of this baby. Oh. So one part is red and one part is black. Oh, alright. So your day's been going good? Leave it in the comment section. It sounds nice. It feels nice. But it's not passing this John Cooper works. Oh, the thing shifts awfully fast. This thing is fast. Third person view, I actually like the way. Finally it passed it. This thing is actually pretty freaking fast. It shifts through the gears like it's nothing. Oh, the thing is manual too. I thought it was paddle shift. Cause Audis, they're usually paddle shift. And like I said, Audi got new steering wheels too. They used to have different old ones, but now they have new ones, and I like them. There goes another fellow A1. Move! Well, he's not gonna let me pass him. Oh, he crashed. I feel bad. Like usually. Oh God, that was heavy braking right there. I like the way it sounds, but every car in this game pretty much sounds the same. But I wish they would have. This vehicle sounds really nice. But the next review I'm going to tell you is going to be the two Corvettes. The Corvette Stingray and the Z06. The Z06 is going to be first though. And by the way guys, this is my secondary account. Off the Hood Gamer 1. So you'll still know it's me, but is this car good enough to get in, like, at least third place? I bet it is, but it's just not working out right now. My Golf is fast. Uh-oh. That manual shifting. Let's watch it move. Okay. Yeah, I don't think this car is good enough to get in first place. This push it real good. Maybe it was. First place again. Those are the 3 cars in a row that can get in first place. Alright, it's been another Drive Club car review. I'll see you with another video soon. It's been Off the Hood Gamer. Peace out.